Hello, we are at the second day of the last week for self-defense movements in 5 minutes. Remember, this is not a self-defense class. I'm just getting creative with the exercises we do. Alright, I've got something I need to tell you. Something you need to learn is to learn to cook. That's right, cooking is an essential skill for your health fitness journey because mainly you know exactly what ingredients you're putting into your meal, and so that means you have no excuses. Sorry for the harsh talk, but sometimes I need to give you guys some tough love. Let's begin a low intensity interval training session. 45 seconds of self-defense movements, 15 seconds of rest for 5 rounds. Are you ready to defend yourself in minutes? The workout begins in 15 seconds, so we're going to defend ourselves by bringing our knee to the side and elbow together. If you can't do that, bring it as close as you possibly can, then bringing it back down and then changing sides. Left knee up, elbow together, bring it back down. Left knee up to the side, bring your elbows, foot back down. Once you get into a rhythm, go as fast or as slow as you want. And as I reminded you earlier, you don't have to bring them together, you can only bring them as close as you feel comfortable. We're halfway there. Ten more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. Now we're going to do a calf block by putting our foot to the side, inspired by a martial arts movie. So, feet shoulder width apart. Bring your foot up and push to the side. Bring it back down, push to the side. Begin. Like so, remembering to keep that one foot that's on the ground slightly bent. Do it slower if you want better balance, because I almost fell over. We're a little bit past the halfway point. Apologies for not reminding you. Past the 10-second part now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to do the same thing, but instead of bringing our knees to the side, we're going to bring it forward and block with our elbows together. As I said before, if you can't get there, go as close as you can and begin. Right foot up first. Trying to keep that elbow 90 degrees. Remembering to breathe, everyone. I may have just held my breath for a moment. Halfway there. Ten more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Great. Now we're going to do another shin block, but this time we're going to bring our foot forward. So bring it up, kick it to the side, bring it up, kick it to the side. All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring your right leg up, kick it to the side. Remembering to keep the foot that's on the ground nice and slightly bent. We're halfway there. Ten more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. Okay, final one. As before, feet shoulder width apart. Bring your knees up and we're going to bring both our elbows together. Bring both our elbows together, keeping that knee on a 45-degree angle to your body. Starting with our right side. Now bring it up, defend ourselves. Remember, double elbows. As before, you don't have to bring the elbows and knees together. Bring it as close as you feel comfortable as well. Remembering to breathe because we're halfway there in the final round. Ten more seconds. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 more block. Boom, we're done. Great job, everyone. How did you find out? Was it challenging? If so, leave in the comments below. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this workout. Subscribe for more videos because I will be releasing very regularly. And if you feel like you can do more, keep going by doing other workouts on my channel. All right, I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.